up here and one swing, Daddy.
You want to swing?
One swing.
Only after you count for Daddy. Say 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
10,
9,
9,
10.
10,
Good girl.
10. Want to me?
Now you want to swing. Hang on. Want to do your alphabet? A. Say A.
A,
B.
B,
C.
C,
D.
G,
E.
A,
F.
F,
G.
G,
H.
H,
I.
N,
J.
M,
You gotta do it right. K.
Time,
L.
Time,
L.
Mommy,
You want me to spank you?
Mommy,
L.
Daddy,
M.
Mommy, Daddy, Daddy,
Okay, here comes the spanking. M.
M,
N.
N,
O.
Dad,
O. O.
O,
P.
P,
Q.
Q,
R.
O,
S.
S,
T.
P,
No. T.
P,
T.
P, P,
T.
G,
U.
P, U,
V.
V,
W.
W,
X.
X,
Y.
Y,
Z.
E,
You're pretty smart, aren't you?
B, 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 B. Now I'm doing. Dirt.
Do what?
Dirt.
Do it?
Dirt.
Oh, dirt. Yeah, I can see the dirt. You got a mustache.
Mustache.
Mustache, that's right.
Mustache. I got a mustache.
Camden's mustache. It's pretty.
I got a mustache.
Uh-huh. You got boogers, too.
A mustache. A mustache.
Ooh, who's that?
Fly.
Fly. It's okay. It's just a little fly.
Eat a bug. Eat a bug.
That's right.
No bug.
Careful, you'll fall off.
Bug. Butterfly.
Butterfly. I think you're silly.
Butterfly.
Where's Mommy?
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy's at work.
Mommy. 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 A butterfly. Butterfly. Bug. 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 Bug, Daddy.
That's
Bug,
okay.
Daddy.
Bugs fall down.
Bug fall down.
Still got some dirt in there? Tastes good?
Good.
Yuck.
Take dirt.
Yuck.
Take dirt.
You want to count again for Daddy?
No.
Alright. You want to tell me, what does a froggy say?
Rabbit, 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 rabbit.
Okay. What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does an owl say?
I will say. Woo. Woo.
That's right. What does a kitty cat say?
You get see. Meow, meow, meow.
What does a doggy say?
I go get say. Oh, oh, oh.
What does a pig say?
I been say. Wait, 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 wait.
Oink, oink. What does a duck say?
I got say quack, 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 quack.
That's right. What does a birdie say?
A boy say. Woo.
No. Well, that's an owl birdie. What does a real birdie say?
Oh.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Can't you do that?
No.
What does a horsey say?
What did he say?
What does a horsey say?
Horsey say.
That's right. What else?
Me too.
What does a lamb say?
Say.
Bah.
Daddy.
Can't think of any others, huh?
Listen.
What does a bear say?
The bear say.
Are bears asleep?
Bear sleep. Mm-hmm. You Tracy Tiffany.
Tracy and Tiffany?
Tracy outside.
Yeah. Hey, you have to go potty?
No pay drive.
Dry, good girl.
2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 8. Oh, bug.
Another bug. What comes after 8?
Oh, is that? No, bug.
It's on Daddy's knee. It's okay.
Bug.
What does Cannon say?
No.
Say, love you, Mommy.
That's Mommy.
Say, I miss you, Mommy.
Nice to Mommy.
Hey. You ready to go night-night?
No.
You ready to go potty?
No. No, pie.
You dry?
No, dry.
Good girl. What's the froggy say?
The froggy says. The froggy.
You tired of playing?
Bug.
What hurts?
Boo-boo.
Your boo-boo hurts?
Bug. Bug.
Bug bite?
Bug bite. Hurt.
Let's go inside, okay?
To the side.
Hello, Kelsey.
Do you know Rockabye Baby?
Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. And when the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come Kelsey right on her buns. You didn't think that was funny, huh?
About Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Yeah, you can sing that one. Sing Rain, Rain.
Rain, rain. You're not gonna sing. You're not gonna do anything, are you?
Say rock-a-daddy.
Big.
Rock-a-baby. Rain, rain, go away. Come again. Come on, Kelsey. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Who's rocking the boat?
Boat.
Boat. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Say mommy?
Mom.
Say Camden?
Kenny.
Say Kelsey?
Cousin.
Nanda?
Nana.
Grandma?
Ghana.
And what else can we say?
Hey, French fry?
French fry?
Papa.
Uh-huh. Say chicken?
Chicken.
Say dog?
Duck.
Cat.
Hey, Joey?
Cat.
Yeah, you know your nephews? I mean your, what is it? Uncles? Cousins.
Nancy.
Say Joey?
Joey.
Say Chip?
Chip.
Who else we got?
Chris?
Chris?
Chip.
Eric?
Aga.
That's pretty close. Say I love you.
Lower. The
Yeah.
roof.
How old are you?
Tennis.
How old are you?
Tennis.
1, 2.
Kelsey.
You don't know?
Kelsey, say.
Oh no.
Where's Candace?
Plant.
Where?
Plant. Plant. Left.
What?
Pillow.
You want a pillow? Can I give her a pillow, Daddy?
Sure. Here she comes. Here she comes.
There's a pillow. Say baby.
Big.
Say Evan.
Oh.
Evie.
Say night night.
Money.
Say good morning.
Money.
Say. Say hush.
Hat.
Hush.
Hat.
Want me a kiss? Have a kiss? Mwah.
Red.
Night.
Go. Go.
Go.
Go.
Okay.
Ray. Ray.
Bye.
Mama.
What?
Nana.
Kelsey,
What?
let me see your teeth. Good girl. Oh, that's your tongue. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your belly? That's a belly button. Where's Daddy? Oh, is that me?
Me.
Oh.
What, baby?
Say rock a baby, that's right. Say drink.
Drink.
Say juice.
Do. Nana.
Night night. Tired?
Hot.
Wanna go to bed?
Mm-mm.
No.
Shake.
I'll go sleep. Coming to get you. Smile. You got boogers in your nose. Peekaboo.
Anama. Anama. Anama.
No, no.
Anama.
Wanna get off?
Mm-mm.
What do you wanna do?
Sleepy.
Sleepy? Okay, night night.
You go sleep with you?
Sleep.
Oh, I can't see.
Is it comfortable, Mom?
Yeah, really. I can't get in. You gotta try to get me in the bed.
And
Honey, I can't get in. There's not enough room.
Oh well, spread out.
Look. Don't you want to go see your sister get off the bus?
me.
Are you typing?
Hand.
Yeah.
Kelsey.
You hear the birds?
What?
Birds?
Bird.
School
What is
bus?
that?
Come on. Come on.
Let Mommy help you off.
Let's go wait for Camden.
Go out front, wait for Camden. Hey.
Kelsey. Peekaboo. You wanna go throw some leaves? Kelsey, wait a minute. Got her?
You guys learn that in school today? Kelsey, you like your cracker? Is it good? Good. Yum yum. Well, Camden, how old are you now?
5.
And when are you going to be 6?
6.
So you're about 5 and a half, huh? How old is Kelsey?
Mama. A week.
A week?
I
How many years do you think she is?
Oh, how nice, a cracker.
don't know.
And milk.
One.
Yeah, you think you're right.